Three, two, one, start. It is requested that while sending proposals for framing of new service rules and making amendments in the existing rules, the qualifications proposed for amendment to the posts should suit the requirements of the job. Full stop. Change in existing ratios of requirement between direct appointees and promotees should also not be disturbed unless absolutely necessary in the public interest. Full stop. It may kindly be impressed upon the representatives of administrative departments who attend the meetings that discussions of the committee should be kept strictly confidential till finalization of recommendations of the committee. Full stop. It may also be ensured that the proposals are thoroughly examined for all angles. Full stop. Trump has reiterated his horrifying plan to take over Gaza and permanently displaced its Palestinian residents. Full stop. New paragraph. Each higher gazette officer should inspect the office of his immediate subordinate, and since the greatest impact on public is exercised by the working of the base, frequency of inspection should increase progressively in descending order from the higher to the lower rungs in the line of authority. Full stop. I am accordingly to request you to please lay down and enforce, if already not done, the intervals of inspection of the various offices under you, as so to provide that the base officers are inspected as frequently as possible. Full stop. Recently, as also earlier, certain departments have taken so long a time in furnishing some information required from them. Full stop. This was obviously detriment of the departments themselves. Full stop. New paragraph. We do not feel this movement of itself. Full stop. We can judge the movement of the earth only in relation to some other object which is not moving with it. Full stop. We have probably all had the experiences of not being able to tell which way a train is moving at night when we cannot see anything out of the windows. Full stop. We cannot tell which way we are moving except in relation to any other object which is at rest. Full stop. Man is just a baby, just ending his life. Full stop. He declared, making it abundantly clear that he views Gaza not as the homeland of Palestinians but as a piece of real estate to be seized and repurposed. Full stop.